It warmed up to -10 degrees, so I'm going to show you what happens when you throw a hot water balloon in the cold.
Fill up a pot with hot water. Fill up a water balloon with hot water. Bring the water to a boil. When the balloon starts floating, it's ready to go. Bring the kettle and a strainer outside. This is a little dangerous, so I would not recommend trying this on your own. Dump the water in the balloon into the strainer, then carefully throw the balloon in the air to see what happens.
And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota Cold and how-to videos of ours.